Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news based on an article by Brian Figueroa, Esquire. Internal Revenue Service working with ICE to hunt the undocumented. In a significant policy shift, the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has entered into a memorandum of understanding, MOU, with the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, permitting the sharing of confidential taxpayer information with Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, to facilitate the identification and deportation of undocumented immigrants. This agreement, signed by Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and DHS Secretary Kristi Noem, marks a departure from the IRS's long-standing commitment to taxpayer confidentiality. Policy implications and legal concerns. Historically, the IRS has assured taxpayers, including undocumented immigrants, that their information would remain confidential to encourage compliance with tax laws. This new data sharing arrangement raises significant legal and ethical questions. Critics argue that it may violate privacy laws and deter tax compliance among immigrant communities. Legal experts warn that the agreement could undermine public trust and potentially breach the Internal Revenue Code's confidentiality provisions. Internal discontent and leadership changes. The agreement has led to notable upheaval within the IRS. Acting Commissioner Melanie Krause announced her resignation in protest, citing her exclusion from the decision-making process and concerns over the policy's implications. Krause is the third IRS chief to depart this year, reflecting ongoing instability within the agency. Other senior officials, including the Chief Financial Officer and Chief Privacy Officer, are also planning to leave, further indicating internal dissent. Impact on immigrant communities. Undocumented immigrants contribute significantly to the U.S. economy, paying an estimated $90 billion in taxes in 2023. The new policy may discourage these individuals from filing tax returns, fearing that their information could be used for deportation purposes. This could lead to decreased tax compliance, reducing revenue for public programs and increasing the vulnerability of immigrant communities. Broader context and sanctuary jurisdictions. This development aligns with President Donald Trump's broader immigration enforcement agenda, which includes efforts to undermine sanctuary laws in states like California. By accessing IRS data, the administration aims to circumvent local protections for undocumented immigrants, intensifying federal immigration enforcement efforts. Conclusion. The IRS agreement to share taxpayer information with DHS represents a pivotal shift in U.S. immigration enforcement policy. While the administration asserts that this move enhances interagency efficiency and national security, it raises profound concerns about taxpayer privacy, legal integrity, and the potential erosion of trust between immigrant communities and government institutions. The ensuing legal challenges and internal dissent within the IRS underscore the contentious nature of this policy change.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, ask the lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.